विक्रम फडनिस के डायरेक्टोरियल डेब्यू निया में नजर आएंगे बिपाशा बासु और राणा दग्गुबाती एक साथ। वैसे पहले इन दोनों एक्टर्स के लिंकअप के रूमर्स भी आए थे, पर हाल ही में रखे गए एक इवेंट पर इन दोनों के बीच सब कुछ सॉर्टेड लग रहा था। यहाँ विक्रम फडनिस ने अपनी इस जर्नी के बारे में हमसे बात की।
I've enjoyed my journey as a choreographer, from a choreographer to a fashion designer, and I think just a natural progression is that you set yourself certain goals and ambitions. God's been great. I think I'm blessed in a certain way that I've been able to achieve something that some little what I've always wanted to do. I think like it's a ripple effect, one snowballed into the other, and I started understanding what the duty of the captain of the ship is, being the director, and I started writing the film. I just thought I'd write a nice film and I'd give it to somebody to direct. And then I realized that nobody would understand what I felt about the script. And that's why, from a choreographer to a designer, and designer to a director, for me it's been a journey. It's been a roller coaster ride. I can't say it's been smooth. I can't say it's been tough. What the fashion fraternity has given me is an identity, and I think today I'm encashing on that.
वैसे बिपाशा बासु is quite happy and excited to be a part of Vikram's directorial venture.
I have to say that it's a very proud moment also for me to be a part of this film, which Vikram has actually believed in, written, lived it, like what earlier, as I think each one of us have gone through a narration of this film, and I have to say this is one of the most beautiful narrations that I've ever had. It moved me completely. I had my team with me when we actually had the first narration, and I really have to say it's an overwhelming experience just listening to the story and the way he presented the film to us on a narrative level, just with the music and the feel and the emotions. And at that point of time, there was no, we didn't have a dialogue writer. It was just the narrator. And I really have to say that you could see the reflection of a fabulous director in him.
बता दें कि the film will go on floors in January 2015 and will be shot outside India. We wish Vikram Fadnis good luck for his directorial venture. For Abhishek Singh, Zoom, Mumbai.